Good morning, May 6, 2022, pre-New York analysis of US30. So as we see here, price just hovered in this at the bottom end of this range here during Asian session. I was anticipating that it would kind of maybe move around a little bit more than that, but no, it literally let's see that yeah, no, 17, 18. Where 12, 15, 16, 18. Trying to see where so it's right there. Yeah, 17, 18 o'clock. Yeah. So, anyways, yeah, I was just trying to see where the end of New York session was precisely, but you know, it's needless to say, it's been hovering sideways. So this is obviously in anticipation of NFP. Which is at 8:30. So that will definitely have an effect on things, send things shooting one way or the other potentially, most likely. So as of right now, myself, I don't really see any clear entry. I wanted to try and get back in around perhaps this level here, roughly anywhere from here 33 200 up to about 33 400, let's just say, more the sweet spot 33 200 to 33 300 is what I had seen earlier in the week. Um, but up to 33 400 perhaps even at the top of the zone. But none of that has occurred, obviously. So at this current moment, I don't really see an entry. I mean, nothing that I would take. And then NFP is coming up in a couple hours. So, not that I wouldn't take a trade if I saw an opportunity right now. I just don't really see anything that, everything's just literally moving sideways at the moment. um, Literally. I mean, there's been some little drops here, but nothing, nothing really. I'm talking about, so 200-point drop. So, could have maybe got me. I wasn't up at that hour, so I'm not even gonna play those hypothetical games. But yeah, if you were up at 2 o'clock in the morning or 2:40 Eastern time, then you could have potentially, maybe got a couple hundred points here. You know, little 250, and you put the stop up here like 100. So I mean, maybe, but wasn't obviously awake for that. But at the moment, I don't see really anything. So I'm gonna just wait it out, see what happens over these next few hours. NFP at 8:30 a.m. and then obviously market opens at 9:30 a.m. So we'll see if at some point in that time frame roughly I see that price comes up into this area and there's big signs of exhaustion, signs of reversal on lower time frames as well, then I'll be considering an entry because, again, reiterating what we've already discussed most of this week, but definitely momentum is still bearish, especially after that big move to the downside yesterday. So definitely, I would say momentum is still bearish. I'm not looking for any buy opportunities. There are going to be buy opportunities, yes, short-term ones, but I'm not specifically looking for that. I'm looking for more of a push back up, retest of one of these strong levels of support, resistance, supply, and demand, and then continue riding downward. Which by everything I can see, I believe that it's starting to break this level, and it's going to continue down to lower levels uh, from the bigger perspective. So that's what I'm looking for, and that's what I will be on the lookout for. So I'll see you guys after New York session. Keep an eye out, definitely. With news, if you are in trades, just obviously keep an eye on everything and consider what to do. So I will keep an eye on this and talk to you after New York session today. Happy Friday.